just had a quick leg day at the gym, and I wanted to talk about confidence. I feel like people talk about confidence like it's something that just happens with time or with therapy or talking about it or thinking about it, manifesting it. None of that is true. That's not confidence. Confidence isn't something that's just manifested. Like you can't just talk about it, until it happens. All confidence is just proof, proof to yourself that you are who you say you are. So if you want to build confidence, at the gym, then you need to put in the work. You need to go to the gym. You need to actually get stronger, get bigger, bulk and gain some muscle mass in order to feel confident in the gym. And you also gain confidence by repetition. So like the more you do the routines, the exercises, the workouts, the more that you'll feel confident because you actually know what you're doing. So confidence is literally just proof and experience. That's all it is. So if you want to be confident in one area or another, just gain experience. Keep doing reps until you feel confident. That's all confidence is. Once you do that, you'll naturally gain confidence. And also, who cares about confidence anyways? Or do you care about confidence, or do you care about actually, accomplishing your goals? Like, do you want to appear like you know what you're talking about and appear like you know what you're doing? Or do you actually want to know what you're doing? Do you want to go to the gym and pretend like you know how to use the machines, or do you actually know how? You actually want to know how to do it? You can't have confidence before you have proof. You gain confidence by the proof. But the proof is the reward. So just focus on that. Focus on actually becoming the person you want to be. And naturally you will get confident. You will gain confidence in whatever area you're trying to gain confidence in.